in the courtroom. Today, July 16th, 2018, court case number 1017. Bayless versus Valjean is to be examined. The prosecutor, Mr. Luthgar Bayless, accuses the defendant, Mr. Pat Valjean, for thievery and moral indecency concerning Miss Stacy. The situation goes as follows. On the date December 12th, 2017, Mr. Bayless and Miss Stacy have both confirmed that they were in a serious relationship. On March 24th, 2018, their relationship terminated. Prior to, during, and up until the termination of this relationship, both Mr. Bayless and Mr. Valjean confirmed that they shared a close friendship. Shortly after March 24th, Mr. Valjean starts a serious relationship with Miss Stacy and, consequently, stops communicating with Mr. Bayless. The lawyers for each side may explain the case and the issues for the jury to decide. On the defense side, we have Mr. Pat Valjean, along with his defense attorney. And on the prosecution side, we have Mr. Luthgar Bayless and his prosecutor. Let's hear from the defense side first.
Well, you can't really steal something that's not yours.
And now let's hear the prosecution.
Mr. Valjean does claim that he was not outright stealing, and he is correct, but he was putting advanced schemes to work. He started the talking stage of a relationship with Stacy while Mr. Bayless was in the dating stage, thus not claiming an official title and not being subject to the action of stealing. On March 24th, they have already been through the talking stage, and they quickly moved on to the dating stage as soon as Mr. Bayless and Miss Stacy ended their relationship.
Well, it's not Mr. Valjean's fault that Miss Stacy broke up with Mr. Bayless.
I mean, it's not my fault I'm so lovable.
Shut up, Snake! Order! Order! Order!
I got you. You good, bro?
That's two. That's two for flinching.
You good, bro?
Snake.
While it's true, Mr. Valjean cannot control Miss Stacy's emotions. He is friends with my client, Mr. Bayless, and is subject to the bro code. It states that no bro will get with another bro's ex, and he has clearly violated that rule, and is very guilty.
Well, Mr. Valjean has never hung out with Miss Stacy ever in his life.
That's true.
And he does not think of her as more than just friends.
Yes.
I have evidence otherwise. Judge, would you like to look at this?
Yeah, let's take a look at that. Well, it looks to me as if this is Mr. Valjean and this is Miss Stacy.
Got anything to say about that?
Dude, what do we do? We're about to lose.
I don't know, but I have an idea. Just trust me. Trust me.
I grab it.
Well, my client is a homosexual, and he will not have any feelings for a girl, and that's why he's not stealing from Mr. Bayless.
I think we need to go to the vote. All right, jury, what is your verdict?
I find that based on the claims and evidence provided today, Mr. Pat Valjean is undeniably guilty.
I'm broke.
I know it's wrong to steal, but boy got some fire pull game. Not guilty.
Boy, Snakes can't beat that case. He guilty.
Let's go!
Well, you a snake. You a snake. I don't speak parcel tongue. Get that out of here, boy.
All right, everybody, sit down, please, sit down. By the jury's vote, Mr. Valjean has been labeled guilty, and for his punishment, he will be exiled to the local zoo and be put in the snake exhibit for as long as time sees fit.
Thanks, bro. Not Mr. Valjean's fault that Miss Stacy broke up with Mr. Bayless.
I mean, I'm just.
What?
Are you ready?
What are you doing?
I thought he was putting that.
Jesus Christ!
Cut it.
Don't
do that. Don't do that.
Do it. Come on. It's bad. You act like Mel's gonna joke.
Provided, Mr. Pat Valjean is undeniably guilty.
I know it's wrong to steal. Boy got some pool game. Not guilty.
Go.
Should everybody
Go.
be talking? 2018 court case. Should everybody be talking though?
Hey.